Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell, Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. This is a dustpan resting on something so I can tilt it. I don't know if I'm going to wind up using that. I think I'm going to use this. I just used this. I put some blue and paint configured pigments and colors in blue on them and dumped them across the surface of a 6 by 6 inch canvas. Now I want to take my cheating ways further still. I don't want to use pillow paint. I want to start by covering my canvas with a layer of black paint as quickly as possible, not worrying too much about the center because that's where I really expect to pour things. I am going to use some pillow paint for sure. It's a thinner canvas, so I don't have to worry so much about the gallery wrap sides as I did the last time. I would like to have my paint go down over my edge, just enough so that I'm less concerned about that canvas showing through. But conventional bloom methods mean that you're pouring away a lot of paint and you do cover your edges, and that's not what I'm trying to do. I am definitely trying to circumnavigate all the paint loss. Just another second and we'll go. Now I've got something behind me if I want to put that down on it, and I think I better do that right now, just for a moment. Throw my spatula over the side. Alright, so what I was thinking was that I should use the white paint I had, because I don't throw things away if I can help it. I've got all of the inside rims of all of my threads from my bottles saved in a huge cup, and I'm going to somehow paste them with paint to a canvas someday. Okay, so this is going to be two-tone, and that's the latex house paint with 20% GAC 800 by Golden in it to keep it from cracking. This is strictly latex semi-gloss Color Place house paint from Walmart, and I am going to have to use a whole bunch of that. You know, I'm really tempted to just do the black and white thing. Let's just do that, because I'm going to have to fill up that entire container to get my desired effects. Now, this is Purple Flash from Folk Art mixed with 3/4 deep base. Oh, that might be more than I need. We'll see. I'm using similar colors to the colors I used last time, except for this one is not. So, throw that out. That might be color shifting from Folk Art. This is definitely going to be more paint than I need, and it's going to be a mess when I blow it out, so maybe I'll bring that tray back at some point in time. Alright, so do I want another color, or do I just want to do that? I want another color. I always want another color. This is the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. And that will be note to self to leave room next time. I might try the straw first. So I've got Carbon Black from Golden Fluids and 3/4 Floetrol. That's what my cell activator is. I want some gold in there. Okay, I'm not sure if that's a good idea at this point or not, but I'm going to do it anyway. Looks like my turntable is maybe a little unlevel. Strangely enough, it could be the little desky thing I have underneath it. Alright, so here goes my cell activator. Now, I am going to bring back my tray, so if I make a mess, and I'm going to move a few things out of my way, so if I not need space next to me, I'll have it. I'm going to try this first. Well, if nothing else cool happens, that happened. that wasn't much of an improvement. So now I'm thinking that this is also containing my pillow paint. So let's just go to town and give this a shot. And lift it up. Let it drain as best I can, wherever it wants to. Maybe, maybe it's time to put a little more cell activator in there just because I can. Hey, that's the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link under the link tree, under the video. It's different. Do I want more? I might want more. I don't have enough here. I do have some white cell activator. Let's try that. Because I can. Let's do it over there on that pillow paint too. Because I can. Because no matter what, black and white usually make cells. That's kind of a neat thing. Looks sort of critter-like. I think, what do I think? I think that I love this color here. The Purple Flash from Floetrol. I know, I saw the bunny. Sorry. I saw the bunny right before it went. I like what I've got. I could leave it easily. I'm always nervous that the untreated house paint will be a problem. It occurs to me this could just be an experiment that I let alone because it's cool looking. I really want to just put some more pillow paint down and see what happens. When I leave a strand, I'm going to pour it back in and then see if I can make it bend to my will, which is my favorite thing to do with paint. Bend it to my will. I'm loving those cells so much. Every time I squeeze them over, I don't want to keep going. I'm just going to be me. That's all that's going to happen here. I'm just going to do my thing. Maybe a little more of this right here. That's alright. That's kind of cool. I could put white pillow paint down too and do something else. Let's do that. Let's just keep playing. Playing is good. It's good for me. Since I don't see any of this Venetian blue from Modern Masters, I'm going to use some. Add a little more cell activator. I know this is way more of a process than the actual. Bloom technique usually demands, but I'm having too much fun, so thanks for coming along for the ride. Let's do this because I can. Fill it in with this, same reason, because I can. Do that. I don't see any of this turquoise I added either. Let's just do some of that right there because I can. Although it would, I would be inclined to think it's probably a waste if I can't get it to show up now. Well, I still like my weird shapes and my cells. I'm really, really afraid of tipping this. I think that's been one of my, always, I see that right there. Where's my tweezers? Where are they? Oh no. Oh no, I hate it when that happens. I swear I see something right here. I do. You get a very good eye after a while. But I really need those tweezers. And I didn't leave any weird little tails. That's awesome. So I am going to go ahead and add a little more of this paint here, pillow paint. And hope that I don't destroy all the coolest parts of this. And I may just wind up at some point in time deciding to leave it. That's pillow paint right there. So I'm going to put some more white in there. Some more Venetian blue. That purple is the Purple Flash from Folk Art, as I have said. I kind of think maybe permission is going to be given for gold too. I just want to cover those spots. I have some white mica and I want to use it. More pillow paint and white mica. And what? I have cell activator that's Purple Flash too. Let's use some of that. Good thing I'm having a good time playing with my paint. Okay, I didn't realize there was white on my finger. Interesting. So let's just follow that start and give ourselves another little area. I'm probably going to run out of time. It occurs to me. No, I still got a couple minutes. So let's use whatever colors I want and continue this wild, crazy experiment. I would like that to not all drip away. And if it does need to drip away, I'd like it to drip into the pan, please. That's a cool shape. I like that. And I've got paint in my pan, and I know how to use it. I do sell my artwork, by the way, and there's over 1,500 pieces that you, well, there's over 1,500 videos anyway, and you can see those on the, this is cool. You can see those on my YouTube channel page. Whoa, slippery fingers. Alright, I've got pillow paint over here. I guess I'm going to risk the cracking. The cracking. This is a different color, but not much different. No, not much different at all. And because I did that yesterday with making blooms with no pillow paint, I'm going to risk a little experiment right there with no pillow paint. I think I'm also going to stick a little more gold No, is that? Yeah, that was the red gold. I love it when they look like eyeballs. I didn't think I would say that, but I do. Well, that looks like a cute little orchid. And tip some of that away. Yep, I knew it. I was going to use up my time. Well, I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys everything else I'm supposed to tell you. And I think what I want to do, really and truly, is use some of my white mica powder down here. Try it with no pillow paint underneath at all. Use my cell activator. And see what happens. Yes! No pillow paint. Just regular paint under there. That's cool. I love it. And we'll have some sort of weird critter. I'm going to steal a little bit of cell activator just to cover that canvas, because it's the same paint. Neat. So, I think I told you some things, but not everything, and the videos become kind of a blur together after a while. So I apologize if I become repetitive, but I'll never get tired of telling you guys I love you. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, sharing my videos, and watching them longer. I really appreciate that. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate that too. I want some of that blue right there. Where'd it go? I don't know why I keep putting the top back on. So check my YouTube channel playlists, create playlists, all playlists for 1,500 videos organized by genre and topic. And and the 100. And look under the Linktree link for my Amazon link, where you can shop at no added cost to you. Find my books, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And you help me out by shopping there. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you're looking for the monthly drawing, the exhibition video on the end screens of any video will share with you what the prizes are. If you look there, and you will use PayPal or Patreon if you want to make a donation, and I will automatically include you into the monthly drawing and send you a copy of what those prizes are for that month. Really appreciate that. You guys have helped keep me painting since 2000. Well, you've helped me keep painting for a few years now, and I really appreciate that. Teespring clothing under the video is Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. I'm going to run out of time. Look for Facebook groups. Expressionist Studio Gallery Appreciation will have tomorrow's video, and it's for students. I love you guys very much. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to thumbs up. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Cool.